Heaviest rain continues to move inland, and the good news is when we watch radar trends, the line is still intense, but I think the threat of any significant tornado development is fairly low. Not zero, but is diminished because it's moving kind of away from the upper level support. We'll show you Sky Tower in a sec. Still very strong winds and high water along our west coast. Brookdale Bayshore Cam, just mostly cloudy. There's still areas of light rain coming in from the southwest on the backside of the wind shift, but that rain will come to an end soon. Let's see another view. Downtown Tampa, cloudy, still areas of rain and gusty winds continue. The heaviest weather now, if this goes all the way up across the mid-Atlantic states, there's a huge thunderstorm right now over the airport. This is RDU. Many of you have flown up to Raleigh-Durham Airport, and boy, I'm gonna get out, get a little Dramamine to watch that. But very heavy rain. Now you get this huge snowstorm. This is near Milwaukee. Snowing like crazy, Wisconsin, and they had a big snowstorm and a lot of cold weather on the way for them. Let's get right to it. Here's rain and storms. A couple of more severe thunderstorm warnings. This one remains in effect until 6:15. On the backside of the squall line, all we're getting now is areas of light rain and showers coming in from the southwest. The back edge is here. So next hour or two, there'll be some additional rain along the coastline, but the severe weather threat is really low. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect in advance of this line as it moves into Hardee and DeSoto counties, also up by Bartow and Fort Meade. The main threat here, strong straight line winds. Heavy rain down by Venice, that continues out over the Gulf. And then we move up to Bartow with rain on your doorstep. In fact, coming down heavy right now. And then passing east of Lakeland near the Parkway, Winter Haven, heavy rain moving into Dundee and Haines City. Could be some strong winds, will be some strong winds. However, the threat of a tornado, I think, is now diminished from what we saw earlier today. Jim has got, thank you, Jim. What do we have here? New severe thunderstorm warning up. That is, let's see, DeSoto and southeast and Sarasota. So that is down here, and that is a continuation of warning in advance. This right here. So it's down by Lee County, and everything in advance of this line is being warned for the threat of winds that will be in excess of 60 miles an hour. We've had some wind damage around Tampa Bay today. I posted a picture of some roof damage and some awning damage and pool cage damage, East Lake Woodlands. That is on my Facebook page from that squall line that moved through. And then the line continues again up to Orlando, where they're under a severe thunderstorm warning. Heavy rain by Dade City. Any one of these cells, Haines City, Winter Haven, can produce wind gusts in excess of 60 miles an hour. Tornado watch until 9, but everything along the coast behind the squall line is clear. The climate data just came in. With the south wind today, we zoomed up to 79 degrees, which is the warmest day we've seen this month. And here we go again with more rain in the rain bucket. So let's see, we've had rain on the 3rd, the 4th, the 6th, the 7th, the 9th, probably the 11th, probably the 12th, probably Monday the 16th or the 15th and 16th. We're not done with El Nino, and we'll get additional fronts and additional rain on the way next 10 to 14 days. Cold front goes by tonight. Winds will be shifting, and they've done that right now to west and northwest and diminishing a little bit, turning cooler behind the front. There's the front with multiple watches up all the way up across the Carolinas with high water along our west coast. Looking ahead, the front goes away. We turn cooler, drier, and then the moisture comes back at us as a warm front with additional showers likely Thursday into Friday. So tonight, let's see, thunderstorms ending from west to east, 54, partly cloudy, breezy and chilly tomorrow, mid-60s. Few showers redeveloping again on Thursday and 65. Probably some rain or storms on Friday. Should be dry over the weekend, and then more rain. Oof. Monday and Tuesday.